Hey guys, it's Steve
and Tressa, and we're at our newest listing today at 2019 Pratt Court in Evanston, Illinois.
This home is 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, 4,000 square feet, absolutely stunning. Let's go take the tour.
As you step into this stunning and timeless home, you'll notice its spacious foyer, the first floor office, and dining and family rooms that all feature abundant natural light and 10-foot ceilings.
As you enter the kitchen, you will notice the custom cabinetry, oversized island with prep sink, and upgraded Thermador appliances. This space also opens up directly to 2 or 3 options for family rooms in this house. As we bring you upstairs, we have 2nd floor laundry, 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms. The master bathroom consists of doubleable vanity, custom cabinetry, Carrara marble on the floor and shower walls, and a freestanding tub.
As you step up to the 3rd floor, you'll find a beautifully finished space that you can use as a recreation room, a kids' playroom, or an additional family room.
You're gonna absolutely love this basement. It has 10-foot ceilings, waterproof flooring, a fireplace, a dry bar, and a bed and bath.
Thank you for taking the tour with us today. I hope you loved the home. If you'd like to see it for yourself in person, please contact us today.